Pakistani team badly need good players as well.
Taibbi Lahore has proved that it can even win without Fakhar Zamani. Only man.
Military person, and that's why Aqib his period for could have been Pakistani team. His form might have been downer than Babar as well.
So there are also happening at Sport and Taibbi just today. How do you think?
May good Aqib, God is too kind. What about you?
Doing well, Taibbi. You shared a news with some achievement regards to Pakistan Army. Taibbi, what was that news? But you wanted to badly tell the fans that Pakistani Army has achieved a...
Yeah, Aqib, Amir Khan is a very seasonal boxer and sportsman as well.
He's also peace ambassador.
Yeah, Aqib, peace ambassador, and I really second his thought that he played his role for the full support of Pakistan Army, and I think Aqib, it is a true sportsman spirit. I will compare his spirit with Mohammad Amir, our legendary cricketer. Unfortunately, he is taking Pakistan on the second eye, and you can say over here is when someone asked him that whether you will play IPL or PSL, he said I will play IPL. So what's the level of your sportsmanship? Even Fakhar Zaman is far better than him, who said that I will reject the billions or IPL, but I will play for my country even for free. So it is the totally concept of your mindset. So that's why Amir Khan has won my heart.
And Taibbi, how do you see Lahore's brilliant victory today? Darren Mitchell, Sikandar Raza, especially Sikandar Raza's inning low down the order. How do you see? Because this was a very tough match to win for Lahore.
Aqib, it was very much tough, not only tough match, but very a bulky heart for me as well. The reason is Aqib, Sikandar Raza could have been in the Pakistan 11. Unfortunately, we missed him and he catched the opportunity in Zimbabwe and playing for over there.
Still playing. And
still Aqib, PCB also have good chance. They should convince him and give him proper perks, privileges and benefits, as like Usman Khan came from Dubai to Pakistan. Even Usman Qadir left Australia for Pakistani team. Unfortunately, he didn't get the proper response, maybe just because of his form and other issues, but he managed to went back to Australia. But I think PCB should work hard on Sikandar Raza so he could represent the Pakistani team, and Pakistani team badly need good players as well.
And Taibbi Lahore has proved that it can even win without Fakhar Zamani. The Fakhar only managed that 48 runs, but they showed what a team spirit is. This is what we want from Babar.
Yeah, Aqib, unfortunately, Fakhar is not in a true color nowadays, but his whole team played like a unit and they managed to win that match.
And Fakhar's statement, Taibbi, where he said that Pakistan is above any league, that won everyone's heart.
Won everyone's heart, and Aqib, I am very happy that he is a lone warrior and also he is a ex-military person, and that's why Aqib, his spirit for countrymen is above than anyone else in the team.
And lastly, before we close this video, Taibbi, you shared an iconic statement by the great Sir Viv Richards, where he said that a king is someone who dominates the game, and when you watch Virat Kohli and Babar Azam, they appear to do justice to this game of cricket. How do you say that? This is a great Sir Viv appreciating Babar.
Aqib, Viv Richardson, what a man. I will take a pause before talking this statement because it's a very huge name. I respect him.
You also love Pakistan.
He is the one who played a vital role for making PSL successful in our country.
And changed West Indies cricket.
That's why Aqib, if you decode the statement, his main thing is, no doubt Babar can be king, or Babar in fact is king, but unfortunately the back of the team is not as much stronger as compared to Kohli. If Kohli could have been in Pakistani team,
played with Dhoni, Tendulkar.
Yeah, if Kohli could have been Pakistani team, his form might have been downer than Babar as well.
Yes.
So Aqib, we can't compare Babar and Kohli on a parallel team because their dynamics are different. Indian board is so strong. Even they change the reviews according to their stance by misusing the technology, as we have seen in the case of Tendulkar in 2011 World Cup. So Aqib, Babar is a king, still he is king, but unfortunately our team is not up to that mark, which can make him his true gold king.
Well, thank you so much. I'm sure tomorrow again we will get that's for the video. That's it. Subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Goodbye from me and Taibbi. Good to the self. Allah.